Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Yesterday we received one information on Rumdamol outpost that one video has been circulated wherein it is seen in the video that one aged person is sexually assaulting and abusing one minor girl. So accordingly we managed to trace the identity of the accused in the said video, and finally we managed to nab him at Khareban, where he was in a position to flee from the railway station. So further we secured the presence of the parents of the minor girl and recorded the complaint of the mother of the girl, and further we registered the crime under POCSO Act and BNS. We registered under BNS under section 64(1) and 65(2) of BNS and 4(6) of POCSO Act, and we also applied section 8 of Goa Children Act. Presently we have arrested the accused and lodged in the lockup, and our further formalities are in progress.